Good morning, everybody. Okay, good day. It's nearly noon. I hope everybody out there is doing well. Yesterday we had an eventful trip. I didn't record anything. Was a little busy with trying to keep a 5-month, 3-week-old baby to happy and a 2.5-year-old toddler. Look, everybody's hungry. Everybody has to stay in the front. I'll let you out after you've eaten. You want to be scratchy? You want to be scratchy? Strawberry. Hi, Paula. Are you done? You want to be done? You know I want to be done? Now you're done. Hello, Trevor. Hello, Paula. Hello, Rega. I got you. Haha. I got you. By the tail feathers. She needs a little taming. She's a little. Spin out with it. Oh, Goldie wants some too. Hey, Polly. Nope, nothing to do with me. Doesn't want anything to do with me. She won't be laying an egg. Oh, I gotta fill this today. Maybe later today? Nah, I gotta fill that today. I'll come in and get that after I feed them. Mint. It takes over wherever it goes. You're collecting weapons from the
I'm about to get the drill and remove the rest from the chicken water. I figured I'd remove the rest from this.
chicken water. Oh. Kevin is juice in the sink. And we'll set you good. Right there. So yesterday we drove up to Colorado to look at land. It was a very long trip because it's like 4 hours up there and 4 hours back, and it's more like 5 hours with 2 kids and diaper changes and dogs, because we took the dogs with us so that they weren't locked up all day long, because that's just not fair. So the dogs went with us on a very long car trip, and the kids did too, of course, and by the end of it, everybody was happy to be home. And on top of that, it literally took us 12 hours to get up there and come home. Like, it was an all-day trip, simply because of the fact that we had to stop numerous times. We had to let dogs out, and had some unexpected things come up, like road work where we were looking at land that required us to stop and wait for other traffic because the road became one way. So it became a very long day yesterday. Here in a little bit, I will show you guys the stuff in the greenhouse, which we are apparently going to be transplanting today because it needs to happen. Because everything in there, I'll show you. The other reason we're transplanting everything today is because we don't think it's going to freeze again, because it's already going to be, I think it's supposed to be 80 degrees today. It's going to be 80 degrees all the rest of the week. And close to the 90s. In fact, already by the first week of May. Chickens are waiting very impatiently for this. Come with me. Let's get you set up. Sick. Alright, this time around, we're just going to spray it off.
No rust on it.
you guys up. Please. So just to let you guys know, it's probably already about, probably already 17 degrees here. It's only 10:30. You're what? Can't understand it. Are you Simba? Are you Simba? You're guilty? Alright, now to get eggs. I go to open it. There's somebody here. Come in. Oh, somebody open egg. Gotta clean these two. Go. I don't believe chickens can count. Maybe they can. I'll leave the 3 so that she doesn't get discouraged and or broody. Because it seems to me like when I first got my chickens, when I would take the eggs and they would know it, they seemed to become broody and protective of their eggs. So I got into the habit of not taking my chicken's eggs when a chicken was on the nest, or shooing them off and then taking all the eggs. And they've not seemed to become broody because of that. Alright, now to show you the stuff in the greenhouse. Ta-da! There's my hand. Become prolific. Look at all the flowers. I'm so excited. I have no idea what squash plant this is. These are the peas. They really need to get transplanted someplace. Broccoli over there. And then this is a winter melon. And then we have celery. And we have more Brussels sprouts. These are Brussels sprouts. It looks kind of like a big bird. The Brussels sprouts don't succeed right now. We'll just plant them again in the fall when it starts to get cold. And I mean like probably mid to late fall. So probably somewhere around October. Because that's when it actually starts to get cold. Our daughter attacked okra and left tons of collards, spinach, the size of those leaves. My husband thinks that this is red amaranth, because this soil came from the tire triangle that we had that had red amaranth planted in it. So this might be some red amaranth seeds. Tomatoes are doing fantastic. I think the ones with purple stems might just be, well, I'm probably wrong because all of them have purple stems. Corn over there. And then cabbage. Need to transplant the spinach. I think I need to come in here and get salad greens. This is grass. Don't want grass. These are beets. That needs to get transplanted. There's cabbage. Look at all that cabbage. I'm so excited. But yep, the rest of this stuff needs to get transplanted. So I wanted to share that with you guys. This is coming back nicely. There's wood there, there's some leaving there. That survived back there. This is fine. Oh my gosh. Are you putting sand on yourself? Are you turning into a wild girl? Yep. And then I saw a bud on here. Someplace. Where did I see that? You're funny. Your sand needs to stay in the sand box, not on you. There it is. You budding. There's some more around here someplace. Kevin just watered the grapevines, so they're gonna recover just fine. And we're going to probably be transplanting some stuff in here very shortly. Probably like cabbage. We cut that off. So it might just be a busy day. So that's that for now. Oh, need to go out front and take care of the stuff in the front. Let's see how that's doing. Let's get and switch you guys up once we get here. To the front yard. Alright, I guess it was too full. Very, very warm. Right. Oh, Kevin already watered this. Yeah, a little bit more. Something's coming up in here. No morning glory. My husband Kevin must have already been out front here because these are already really moist. But check it out. Look at all the morning glories that are coming up in here. And then there's that pea plant. What's a pea plant? There should be more pea plants. Ah, yeah, there they are. Looks like plenty of morning glories. I'm pretty sure I planted... Oh, what did I plant in here? I planted something else in here. I know I planted basil in here. And I planted... I can't remember what I planted in there, along with the one horse. But it's herbs. And I know herbs are pretty prolific. I mean, I'll show you. That's cilantro. That is a cilantro plant. That's a cilantro plant, and I think I hear my son. Everyone out there on YouTube, so it's late in the afternoon, basically early evening, and what we are doing now is transplanting many things, or as many as we can before the sun goes down. So here we have
We're just doing corn.
Oh, are we just doing corn? Oh, okay. I thought we were doing everything possible. We have 16 corn plants to go in the field. Irene, that's not a toy.
That's not the shade.
Yeah. But we will need to transplant our collards and whatnot elsewhere. Wouldn't you agree? Huh?
Not really a specified place for them.
Good job, Kevin.
Let's go through these.
Yep. Okay. You guys aren't allowed in here, dogs. Sorry. I don't get why all these plants are so tiny and the ones and the ones in the greenhouse are huge. Weird.
Amplifies the
That's right. There's more potatoes coming up, Kevin.
Yeah, I know.
Over there.
Those are the ones that I was talking about that were coming up already, and I planted more in this row. Right here.
Sure, yeah. Do you want me to get the paper of the map? Something's been eating some of those plants. I haven't left you. I'm over here still.
So it's really dry right here.
Cyrene, you can see Mommy, and you can see Daddy. Who am I? My name's Avery. What's your name? No?
Okay, you stay in there. I will get you out. Okay?
Okay. Siren, come in and close the door. Please. Denton, I think, is digging up a root ball. You gonna plant that one, another one that close together?
Huh?
You gonna plant another one that close together?
Yeah.
Okay.
I remember.
Yeah, I know. I thought we were gonna plant some more corn farther toward, like closer towards the fence over there.
A batch of corn, huh?
Yeah.
Later, so they gotta.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Stay out of the box, okay? Look, see there's plants in there.
Plants.
Yeah, there's plants. There's potato plants. So don't climb in it. No, it's just dirt.
Hey, Daddy. Who are you?
She said, who are you?
Daddy.
Now we're transplanting the other set of corn. Is that the peaches and cream?
I think this is the Indian. Might be the peaches.
I think it's the peaches and cream because I remember the peaches and cream being the one that always. No, just greener. Whereas the native, like, paint, like the multicolored decorative corn always had sometimes like dark purple. The corn always transplants really well. It never seems to be. As long as there's not ants around, there's never a problem with the corn getting transplanted. Don't step on the plant. All done transplanting our corn from the greenhouse to out here. Good job, Kevin. Sorry I wasn't more help.
I just gotta hold the kid.
So look at our beautiful corn. Look at all of our corn. There's 16 plants here. And depending on how some of these kale fare here soon, we may be transplanting new kale plants. Just depends on how they do. Alright, and we close this. Like so. And I believe we're all done. Thanks for writing one more thing for the day, and that's collecting the rest of the eggs. And for whatever reason, my chickens leave. Well, okay, I know the reason. They think that they're coming up, but they're not. They're all set. But I'm not doing that. There's 2 more eggs for the 3 more eggs Good number of these need to be cleaned. All in all today, got like 8 eggs. Coop. Now to take these in put them away. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below.